ice cream scoop, bottle opener, can opener, oven, microwave, dish drainer, colander, blender, grater, wooden spatula, kettle, slotted spoon, slotted turner, solid turner, ladle, whisk, steamer, strainer, potato crusher, garlic crusher, spatula, tongs, measuring spoons, food scissor, pizza cutter, peeler, pasta server, mortar and pestle, cheese grater, wine opener, utensils, cutlery, coffee spoon, teaspoon, soda spoon, salad spoon, tablespoon, serving spoon, soup spoon, Chinese soup spoon, dessert spoon, ice cream spoon, sugar spoon, crab fork, dessert fork, salad fork, table fork, carving fork, fruit fork, cleaver, chef's knife, utility knife, bread knife, mezzaluna, paring knife, boning knife, rolling pin and board, dishwasher, frying pan, French skillet, wok, grill pan, saucepan, saucier, double boiler, saute pan, soup pot, stock pot, multi-pot, brazier, roaster pan, French oven, deep skillet, mixing bowl, muffin tin, baking sheet, weighting scale, electric mixer, mix hand blender, rice cooker, slow cooker, juicer, manual hand squeezer, ice shaver, refrigerator, stove, multi-cooker, air fryer, induction cooker, pressure cooker, bread toaster, thermal pot, thermal cooker, kettle, teapot, fine mesh skimmer, chopsticks, long chopsticks, cutting board, miso, strainer and muddler.